Okay, we've got a 2006 Chevy Cobalt here, and one of the headlamps is burned out. So we'll change that out. Okay, the car takes us 9007. Have some Sylvanias here.
Okay.
Okay, so two 10mm bolts have to come out. And then we're also going to remove this panel fastener here in order to give us room, because this lens assembly has to come out. So I've got a 10mm socket on here. Okay, sit those down. And then for this, usually you can just use a little prying tool. So this center piece comes out, I think, yeah. And this is just to give us a little room to work with here. Now, we're going to go to the corner lens, pull this back, and there we are. And there's our target. And just lift up on it, pull it out, and now it should turn. So this turns, doesn't it? Yeah, turn that. Little ring on the outside. And there's our bulb. With our 9007 replacement bulb. I'm going to slip that in here. And the gasket is kind of tight. Oh, I'm having trouble getting this gasket in here. Now it is keyed. There are 3 slots on it, so I don't know if that might not. There it goes. Okay, it's in place. Okay, now we're going to put our holder back in here and just turn it, rotate it clockwise until it locks into place. Plug it back in. And take this whole assembly again backwards here. Now there's a couple of guides I'm going to point out underneath here, right here, that fit into some slot, a couple of slots here.
Where are they again?
Right here. Here's one. And there's another one here. And they fit into a couple of slots here in this plastic piece. So I'm going to make sure those are lined up when you put it in. Just do it in reverse. Pull up on it to make sure it's seated underneath there. You slip this panel fastener back in. Pull up on the center part of this type here. Push it down and then push the center piece down. And there we are. Okay, so we're back in business here, ready to hit the road. Thanks for watching.